Okay. Our next problems are going to be on page 105, numbers 2 and 3. So looking at the problem, it says use the spinner right here to answer questions 2 and 3. Neela spins a spinner. What is the probability it will stop on either a star or a triangle? So it didn't just say the probability of it landing on a star, but they said this or a triangle. So there's really two different events. So if we take the first event and we look at, well, how many possible outcomes are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put 5 as the total possible outcomes. But we're trying to get a star. So the probability of getting a star out of 5 is 1 out of 5. So I'll put the 1 right here. What's the probability of getting a diamond? Well, a diamond is also 1 out of 5. So we need to add these together. So when we add these together, we're going to get 2 out of 5. So the probability of getting a getting a triangle or a star is going to be 2 out of 5. And we can write that as a fraction. This is really a ratio right here, 2 out of 5. But let's think, if we were to do this in a comparison of 100, it would help us to easily find out the percentage. So 2 out of 5, we could divide 5 into 2 to get the percentage. And that looks like this, 5 to 2. And we would say that 5 can go into 20 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Bring down to 0. 5 can go into 0, 0 times. And 0.40, if we move the decimal over 2 places, is equal to 40%. But the other way to do it is to say 2 over 5. Well, what could I do to this 5 if I want to base my denominator out of 100? Well, 5 times 20 would get me to 100. And if I were to do that to the denominator, I'd also have to do that to the numerator. 2 times 20 would give me 40. And 40 out of 100 equals 40%. Wouldn't be a good grade.